What's up guys, and welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to get iOS 12.1 emojis on iOS 11. So the first thing here is that you need to be jailbroken, so head over to Cydia and make sure you have FileZa file manager installed on your device. Then open FileZa, go back to the front page of FileZa and head over to System, Library, and scroll down until you see Fonts and go to Core, this one right here. What are we going to do here is we're gonna back up the default emojis in iOS 11 so we can install the new ones for iOS 12.1. So you're gonna see a file within Core folder called Apple Color Emojis at 2x.ttc. So we're gonna rename this file right here, so we're gonna tap and hold on it and tap on the rename, and we're gonna add any random text. We're gonna write down .old and hit done. Once you've done so, head over to Cydia and go to sources and hit edit, add the source that you will find below this video. Give it some time to load and go to the search bar and look for emoji port installer, which is this one right here, and hit install, and it will download the new emojis for iOS 12.1. so give it some time here until it's done. Then hit respring, and after that you should see the new emojis for iOS 12.1 on your keyboard. If I go to the keyboard and switch to emojis, you can see here the new emojis. As you can see, the one with the hearts and the freezing emoji, as you can see. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't for new content. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.